Hi everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. I'm Cassandra Thompson, and today we are talking all about how to stay tan and bronzed and glowy all fall. I don't know about you, but I came back from, I'm setting stuff down, sorry. I don't know about you, but I came back from summer vacation with a beautiful tan and was like, I never want this to go away. Why do I let this slip away? And so I've been trying my hardest to keep that tan going. Now, it's not as dark, just can't be quite that dark again, but I've got some products that are helping me keep the glow, and I want to continue it all fall, all winter. And so I thought I would show you some of my favorite products to keep this glow going, okay? So let's start with body. This is going to shock a lot of you because most people on here talk about Saint-Tropez and Vita Liberata and Loving Tan. And don't get me wrong, I have wanted to try Loving Tan. I have used Saint-Tropez, it's all right. I have another Saint-Tropez product, but their body foam stuff, I don't love that much. What I do love, and what I have used since I was 20, is Banana Boat Summer Color Self-Tanning Lotion. Yes, Banana Boat. It is deep dark color. You have to get deep dark color. And it is a self-tanner, okay? So it's like the old school rules of, oh, you put it on and you shouldn't touch anything. But it dries so quick that I will put this on in the morning and put clothes on over it, and I'm okay. I'll leave it for like 10 minutes. It used to come with dye in it so you could see where it was going on you. It's not that anymore. It's really hard, though, to make it streaky. So it's just a white lotion. $8, $9 for this giant bottle, and it is one of my favorite tanning lotions. So I highly, highly, highly recommend Banana Boat. I recommend this to everybody. This is probably the most holy grail, tried and true product I've used the longest. Like, for real. Every year I just go, buy a new one. So I realized, wait, it dries so quickly. Why am I only putting it on at night and then sitting there and not letting anything get on it? It dries really fast. So I have been putting it on in the morning the last 2 weeks, like every couple days, and putting on my clothes after like 10 minutes, and nothing has been stained. I never look streaky. So it's doing what it needs to do. On the days where I am not using that, I am using my almond and vanilla whipped body butter from Bath & Body Works. Now, this obviously has no tanner in it, but I've been adding those Isle of Paradise tanning drops that are being sold at Sephora. I got medium. I'll be honest, I think I could have gotten dark. I think it depends on the type of tan you want. This one definitely goes a little more golden, and I kind of want a little more deep brown. But you play with how many drops you want. You can add 1 to 12 drops to your favorite moisturizer, and it's for body and face. So with body, I will add quite a few drops to this when I put it on. With face, I have been using my Laneige Essence, which is a little bit thicker of an essence. It's not a watery essence. It's kind of like a watered down lotion. I will add 2 or 3 drops to that, mix it in my hands, and pat my face. And so it's just giving me like a nice little warm up every day. Now I'm going to play with it. I might intensify a little bit. I've been doing about 2 drops. I might bump up to 3 because I think right now this is just kind of sustaining what I have, and I want it to go darker. But I have been using this in both body and in face styles, like, because it can go with both. And like I said, it's good, but I would bump it up to dark next time. But it's a preference thing. Different people have different preferences. Now, if I want to get dark on my face faster, I do have the Saint-Tropez Bronzing Face Lotion. This one is just a little harder for me to use because it is a true self-tanner. Like, you put it on and nothing else can touch for a while. And so that's just hard because most of the time, you know, you wash your face and it's like, I want to put on my moisturizer and my serums and all of that. And if you put this on, you have to wait 4 to 8 hours before getting wet, which always makes me think like, well, I can't put this on. It says wait until touch dry before applying makeup. And it's like, well, wait, if I'm waiting that long to apply makeup, but I have to wait 4 to 8 hours to get it wet, can I put on moisturizer? Can I put, like, so it just, I have to think through a lot more when I'm using it. But on like Sundays, if I can remember, you know, home at night or home in the afternoon, I'll wash my face, put this on, and then finish all my other steps hours later at night. So it is good, I like it. You just have to put more thought into using it. If you watch my Sephora haul, or if you watch one of my favorites, you've seen this already, but now I have the giant bottle. The Coola comes in this box. The Coola Sunless Tan Anti-Aging Face Serum. This gets dark. Like, I had a line at my hairline that I had to use foundation to go over, so I know now I gotta really blend out. But it has hyaluronic acid in it, it has vitamin C, it has argan oil, so it's doing really good things for your face, but it is also tanning at the same time. So I have not started using this yet since I've been using this. Like, I was using it, I had a sample, I finished it, I rotated to this. Once this is gone, I'm gonna come back here. This was $20, it's 1.0 fluid ounces, now granted you're only using 3 or 4 drops. This is 1.7 fluid ounces, this was $50. But I think this gives a more intense tan than this. This also smells, they say, with a pina colada-like scent. I think it smells more like a vanilla chai, so that's weird. But, because those two things don't even smell similar. But it just smells really good, which tanning products never smell good, or the best you can do is they just don't smell. But this one actually smells good, which I think is part of the problem. You're like, oh, I want more, I want to use more. You can't keep using more. Settle down. But I'm in love. I don't know why everyone isn't talking about it. This is an amazing, amazing product. And then, just to add some glow and sheen on top of that, right? If you can see on my arm, it's got a little bit of glow right here. That is because I use the True Match Lumi Glotion. It's the Natural Glow Enhancer. This people use for face, but it is for an all-over, fresh, healthy, naked skin glow. So it's supposed to be used for your face. It says, like, apply alone or under makeup. But I mix this in with my lotion. On the days where I'm not using these drops, I will mix this in with my lotion, and then my skin just has this like nice sheen to it. It doesn't have glitter in it. Here, I can show you. It doesn't have glitter. It's just a lovely bronze glow. And so see, it starts out dark, but once you start moving it around, it just has a really nice sheen to the skin. So I bought this bottle. I can tell I'm almost done with it. Obviously I don't use that much at a time. If I use this like an actual lotion, I'd be done in 2 uses. It's just adding a little bit of it to my body butter. But one day I was in Target, and for some reason the NYX Away We Glow loose liquid boosters were on clearance, which is weird because they're still making them. But I just saw this one, I was like, okay, just grab it now, because this will do the same thing. So I'll do it on this hand, and I have done this once already, so I know it works. Sorry, as I'm putting the lid back on, because if I don't, this will spill immediately. So you can see there's that drop of it. Look at that. That is bonkers crazy. So when it's mixed in, it's a beautiful sheen to your skin. So I just mix those in with my lotions. They do a wonderful job. And that's how I kind of keep that bronze going on top. So I'm working on tanning the skin gradually and just adding a nice glow on top at the end of the day. So those are all the products I've been using to help keep that wonderful summer tan all season long or all year long. Let me know in the comments what you've been using to keep up your summer tan. If you have any amazing finds that you think I should try, please let me know. I'm open to suggestions. But that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and please hit the notification bell so you know when new videos come out. And right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!